up guys, I'm here at Thorpe Park going to do the store behind the scenes tour with Theme Park Callum and Mike Theme Parks. I'm joined by Callum and Mike.
Past a lot, but don't worry, we are going to come back this way, so we will come back to it.
Yeah.
Callum and Mike. And
it's me.
Yes.
It's me.
Wow.
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 You joined our adventure.
John Woodley. Wow.
Ah.
Wait.
Yeah, we're in the red area.
I just heard a cricket.
Guys, drop your phones.
You heard crickets, that means Texas.
Out of control. Hello, just letting you know.
Right, Mike, come on. Mike, come on, mid-course brake run.
Oh, yeah.
Head up the stairs.
If you stand there, we need your platform.
Let me know if you fall, I'll teleport you back up.
Onto the old Canada Creek Railway tracks, and this is also Thorpe's Mid-Course brake run, just up here. You've got a load of historical things down here. So where we're standing right now isn't actually in the ride area, it's part of a restricted area. So that's why mazes like Platform 15 could run down here, because it's not actually in the ride area, but it is restricted. So the operators just need to keep an eye on it. And it is very cool how close you can get to the track in this area, so especially down where Platform 15's entrance slash exit of the tunnel used to be. If you look up, you can get really close to the track without being in the ride area. Obviously you've got the old tunnels just here, part of Platform 15, one of the old scare mazes here. And then down on the right hand side you've got some of the sleepers and rails from the Canada Creek Railway. And then round to the side where this gravel bends off, you can go down there and have a look in a second, is part of the old water maintenance sheds for the Canada Creek trains. It could just be, actually, could be one of the sensors. Down a minute. I mean, we're not in the right area, so it's fine.
We could have pictures when it goes round.
Other roller coasters you might have seen before, the train basically connects to the chain and then it pulls it up just like that. This one's slightly different, where a puck basically pushes it up from underneath. So if you think this is the car sat there, that's why the chain always moves before you actually start moving. So that's the puck coming up behind, pushes the back of the car, pushes you up to the top, comes off the top. There's two pucks that work on rotation, so there's one at the top, one at the bottom. That's why the lift isn't in a continuous motion. So it moves up to the top, stops, and then the next car comes along, does that, stops, and then just keeps on doing that every time. It has to be set in a set position, so the operators can see that position. I'll show you when we go up to the console. And if the puck isn't set in that position, it'll basically cause the ride to shut down. So it's always in the same position, always goes up, then back down, and it just works on a rotation going up and down.
Fancy.
There you go. I wish I could say one for myself, but unfortunately.
Can't you just have one blind eye?
So coming around here, obviously you've got the air cannons just down here that create the gunshot effect that scares everyone. And if the ride hosts are feeling like they want to terrify people, they can also do that, and it makes everyone jump as well.
Jesus.
We'll go up this side because there's a bit more to see.
We actually never get up to those, you know.
Mike, I was literally saying to you earlier, when do these stairs get used?
So coming around here, you've got around the whole building as well, you've got a load of fake CCTV cameras, obviously again relating to the Saw theme. This Saw Billy Puppet just here is from Saw Alive, it was relocated, and then this Saw trap I believe is from Saw 2, but I could be correct on that, I haven't watched Saw movies.
Saw 3.
Saw 3, there you go, I knew there'd be someone more knowledgeable on the Saw side.
It's Crucify.
There you go, that's what trap is, people. But yeah, again, from Lionsgate, they just wanted as much authenticity. That's the word of the ride. Right, pull it up.
So nice with the lights.
AO lights on POV when?
I can't believe I caught it, isn't it?
Just a quick ride. Needs to get to go down there though.
And welcome to the station with the lights on. Obviously, it looks very different. Coming around this way.
See this one with that big piece of paper?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's more fun. Back on the big one, we can just walk up a letter without.
Just watch your step,
Because we've been on this side.
There's just a poster on the wall. Obviously, that's the blades round by the corner for the first drop. Right.
I think Billy's just possessed the ride.
He has. Billy, stop talking.
Watch out for magnets.
Magnet.
Okay, so again, please do watch your head come through because there's no padding or anything.
Ew!
Yeah, under the station now.
Oh, that is. Oh.
When you come in, just don't go beyond that red sort of stand for me. Alright guys, when you come in, just don't go beyond the red stand for me, thank you.
It's a bit dusty.
It is a bit. But you get some close-ups of the wheels and everything.
Been past 12.
That's it.
Queue time, so they're done on where the queue is in the queue. So I think every year it is the most boring job. I think someone actually queues up and validates the queue to see if it's accurate every year. But yeah, so say this is the queue, it's a straight line. The queue's here, it's 5 minutes.
Well, it changed.
Just no, that red stand as well.
We went on the 30th and tramping to the queue for 10 minutes and the queue was
The hell are you doing?
The track is smaller.
Yeah, sometimes there can be a delay with the operator. So I call it all Easter egg under here. While the engineers are working on the cars, obviously it's a bit of a pain to go up and have a look at what number car it is. They're all spray painted on the bottom, so this is car 8 just there. And obviously you've got car 7, it'll say that underneath as well.
What if I can just stand here?
That's what they're designed for.
Guys. Touch track. Woo! Whee! This is quite fun. Ta-da!
So this is the first drop of the ride.
Ooh, fancy.
Oh wow.
So yeah, just don't go beyond that little black line where the door is.
Oh, that is really like steep looking at it. Oh, should we right on here on the track? Come on, where is it? Oh my god.
There it is.
Wow.
There it is.
There it is.
Somewhere.
Whoa. Woo! I had to.
Oh, this is like enthusiastic heaven,
This ad would recommend don't lean on that. It's completely greased. You go like that, it's...
You're just about to like lean like that. Who wants to go down to the Heartline?
So would you say that's like...
What do you mean you can't find it?
I can't find her name.
Just call her and ask her. You got her on Snapchat.
Actually ring her.
Why are there loads of names on there?
I'm doing that. There we go. Can we go underneath the track?
Yeah, you can go underneath it.
Actually, I do. I'm really...
I don't want to like. Yeah, go try and find an empty one.
This is a mix of...
I guess that works.
Blech. Oh.
Yeah, you leave it on the track down the end, you just can't sit on it.
I don't know if I actually got in or not. Whoa! I got wetted by saw. Just do casual scenes. Woo!
Oh my god, that's gonna be so annoying. Going through my ears.
Right, come on in and ignore...
I'm actually sweating like crazy. That one in the corner. Yeah. Trying to figure out that jump across there, bomb. Who wants a 2p coin?
Thomas, the lights up, yeah? Sorry? The lights up.
Hello?
That's it, yeah, that's one.
Hey, we're back here. Slightly dark. I like how I open that door really slowly. Like.
9 o'clock bus it is.
Not 3 hours.
Then again,
It's not 3 hours.
that's not rapid, is it? We're coming back on Saturday, so...
I found out that.
Just then knock stuff out.